Hello and welcome to a speedrun video from RC Empire, and welcome to the Axial SMT10. Now what we have here is our Axial SMT10 with the exact same setup you saw in the last video, running a hobbywing, 60 amp ESC and a 13.5 turn Speedpassion brushless motor with 0 turbo time. And as you can see, we are topping out at 14 miles per hour. Which is pretty good on a big truck like this. And to be honest, a good usable speed. Now it's important to note that the only parts we've upgraded are the center gears in the center gearbox to the SSD ones, and added wheel wideners, as you've seen in the previous episodes in this series. And that's it. And we've been running this for about a year now, and it's been flawless. Nothing's broken, none of the shafts have snapped, and it's been pretty good. The only thing we will absolutely change is the front steering linkage, which is so floppy and so flexy. You lose a lot of the steering from it. We will also be changing the servo because it's not the strongest one we've seen at all. Now one issue that we do have is that every time we floor it, the truck struggles and won't move. It's almost a mechanical noise, for example when you overload a brushless motor, but it's not that. It's also not the slipper pads slipping or anything else mechanical, and we have actually, after a long time, been able to diagnose what it is, and we will show you that in the next episode, and also the solution. So do watch out for that, because it was a massive pain when we were running this truck. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.